This is Extreme Music in the Evening. Extreme Music in the Evening. On EOR.
Bungis-ngis! Nandito na kami makukulit ng umulit!
Hoy, tama na yung beer mo. Masyado ka magastos.
Ikaw, makeup mo ang magastos, no?
Nagpapaganda ako para sa'yo, no?
Ako umiinom naman para gumanda ka.
Bungis-ngis! Nandito na kami makukulit ng umulit!
Sir, gising na.
Ha? Nurse, bakit?
Oras na ng pag-inom mo ng gamot.
Anong gamot?
Sleeping pills.
Bungis-ngis! Nandito na kami makukulit ng umulit!
Garding, ano ang tawag mo sa anak ng taong grasa?
Ma'am, baby oil?
Get ready. Hey, this is William Ryan III with 20, the Countdown Magazine, where we are spreading the gospel around the world through music, one countdown at a time. I hope you'll make plans to join me this weekend as we count down the top 20 songs in Christian music together. You'll hear some stories behind the songs and the latest artist news, plus new music to vote on for the future fan favorite. It's all in the next 20, the Countdown Magazine. Our current time is 11:15.
Ito ay radio ad tungkol sa radio ads. Sa radyo para makabenta, pwedeng kumanta, la la la, magpatawa. Ang di pwede, manloko. Example, ang produkto ko, pinakamagaling ito. Promise. Kung walang proof, superiority claim yan. Ayon sa Ad Standards Council, importanteng malaman ng consumers ang totoo. Totoo ba yan? Idaan sa Ad Standards Council. Learn more at ase.com.ph.
Back to the hits.
They play more music and less commercials.
Commercial free.
There's not many interruptions and the music is so good.
Your number one hits music station.
This is Extreme Online Radio. This is Extreme Music in the Evening. Extreme Music in the Evening. On EOR.